I'm Shayne Mueller, and I'm from Strike Visuals, and today we're gonna go over how to set up the grate counter. It is 28 by 48 inches. And we're gonna go over how to assemble and disassemble this. So all the pieces are gonna have numbers on them. You're gonna line the numbers up 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and then go ahead and tighten the screw. To build the inside shelf, you'll take the 2 outside support beams and make sure that they have 2 open holes facing towards the inside, and these are going to be the support brackets for your shelf. So once you put those on, you'll put the horizontal cross section beams in for your shelves, and then go ahead and put your shelves on. And they'll just slide right into the channels on either side. Okay, so you'll check all the corners and make sure all the electrical is hooked up. You'll have 2 connecting pieces, and then you're going to want to connect those on all corners. And then you'll go ahead and connect the power, which is in the bottom part of the counter here, and then you'll run it to your power source. So now that you have your counter put together, the frame-wise, you're going to want to put on your fabrics. These are silicone edge graphics, SEGs they're called. So you'll have a silicone edge along all 4 sides of your fabric, and these will go ahead and fold in from the top and then put in straight in. And it should slip around that whole edge there and then make it nice and tight. So while putting together the frame, you're gonna see a channel on the outside. This is where your SEG graphic goes into. So you're gonna wanna make sure when you're putting the support sections with the corner sections that they line up properly, unless you won't be able to get your SEG fabric in correctly. The last thing, once you have all your fabrics in, you're going to want to take your 2 top counter pieces. Make sure that your angled corners go in the corner of your counter, and then the 90-degree angles will meet in the center. Then go ahead and flip the switch, and that is your grate counter.